Hi, I'm Nick Squadair, and today I'm going to show you how to do a Citra Solv transfer. What you'll need is paper. Any kind of paper will do. This is a watercolor paper and this is a Bristol paper. This one has a little more texture and this one a little less. You're going to need laser jet prints or Xerox prints, tape, any kind of tape will do, paper towels, scissors or an X-Acto knife, a bone folder, and of course the Citra Solv. And all of this you can get at any arts and crafts supply store. So with the Xerox prints, you want to make sure that you inverse the image before you print them, especially if you have text. Otherwise, the text will come out backwards. So I've taped down these pieces of paper to make sure that they don't move. And next what I'll do is I'll grab an image, I'll lay it down, and when you cut the image, make sure you leave a gap around it so that you could tape it to the paper. So I'll lay that down just there, and I'll make sure to tape it pretty decently so it doesn't move around. Then I take a folded paper towel with the Citra Solv, and I'll soak the paper towel generously with the Citra Solv, and you rub the image. Making sure that the whole image is coated with the Citra Solv. Then you take your bone folder and you burnish the image, and make sure you apply generous pressure so that the image fully transfers to the paper. Now remove the tape. And there's your image. Now, the fresher the prints are from the printer, the better transfer you will get. These are a couple days old, but they still look pretty good. Now this image I have cut to the size of this paper so that the whole image will be the paper. This is more of a collage style where you can clip out little sections and you can cut whatever you want to transfer and put it onto the paper. And you can use watercolor with this or acrylics, pretty much any paint. So we'll take this image and we'll make sure to tape it down pretty good so that it doesn't move because it is a larger image. Again, we'll coat paper towel. Rub the image. And then we burnish it. And there you have it. They're not perfect images. They're not going to be perfect images. You can get a better transfer if you have access to a press that you can roll it through after you've applied the Citra Solv and taped the image to the paper. And that's that. It's a very simple process. It's very easy to access the equipment that you will need. And it's pretty fun once you get the hang of it, and it's great to mix in with collages and paintings that look very interesting next to a painted surface. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Like I said, it's very easy to do, and hopefully this helps you do some Citra Solvs on your own.